If you are a creator just like me, you probably struggle with creating content consistently because you don't have the time to sit behind a camera to record yourself every day, right? And that's not just you. About 85 to 97% of people, according to survey, actually struggle with this very thing. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I am solving this problem as a creator and a business owner. Now, before I transition to showing you the technical stuff, I need to give you a perspective, because if I show you the technical stuff without the right mindset, you might not end up doing the work anyways. And what is it? Consistency. Oftentimes when you hear about consistency, you like people perceive it in the sense wherein I have to do something daily. I have to do this daily. Every day I have to do this. Every day I have to do this. That's what is taught out there. But my philosophy of consistency has evolved over time. And I believe that consistency revolves around my time, my schedule, and my activity and my life and everything. So when it comes to consistency, I don't need to be posting every day because my life cannot permit me to post every day. So my idea of consistency currently is that I think I should show up at a specific time on a specific day over a sustained period of time that people can recognize that I am always here at this specific time. You can expect me to be here at a specific time, and do that over a period of time, and I gain traction. So that could mean for me that, hey, I only post every Friday, once a week. Okay. It could be I post twice a month. I post once a month, right? Okay. So don't leave from here and think that you have to post daily. The whole idea of what I'm going to show you is not that you have to post daily. In fact, as a small creator, contrary to what most people think out there, is posting multiple times, it might actually hurt you from what I've learned so far. And that is because when you post your content is, the algorithm basically show it to a pool of about 200 to 400 people. And basically that means if your content is not good, it's just going to stick in that block. And I've seen this through my journey. That's what is happening to me right now. And I'm looking to solve that. Yes, there's the virality, there's all of these things involved. However, you also have to give the system time to be able to process that video, send it out to the right audience, and then before posting. So if I'm posting every day, I'm not giving the AI chance to actually figure out, hey, what is this guy actually about? Perhaps I should change my strategy, right? So I just wanted to throw that in there before I go ahead into the technical stuff here. Now, the second part is, in order for me to be able to create this consistency without appearing on camera, I need a way to duplicate myself. So we're going to be doing cloning today. That is how, into this era, you can duplicate yourself in order for you to stay consistent. So I'm going to show you how you can clone yourself and use that clone to be able to create content for you. Okay. Now, not create content for you, but you understand the idea. So for today's video, we are going to be using a couple of tools. We will be using Claude and we will be using HeyGen. Claude basically will allow us to think. It will allow us to expand our thought and give us a new horizon of idea that we never thought of, or perhaps just makes our thought and what we are planning on creating better. Okay. And then HeyGen is where we will go and create our video, our avatar and everything. And I'm going to show you both of that in this video. So let's get to it. If you don't have a Claude account already, what you want to do is go to Claude.ai. I already have an account set up, so that's why it logged me in automatically. However, if you don't, you will be visited with a screen for you to sign up. You go ahead and do the sign up and everything, and that's it. Once we're in Claude, what will happen is you're going to see this right here. What I will need you to do is we're going to create a project. A project basically allows us to consolidate all of the ideas and the chats and everything within one place, and makes it easier for memory, for the AI or Claude's memory, to remember past conversation and build upon. So what we would do here is we're going to create a new project, and we will say content consistency. Oh, that's how you spell consistency. Okay. What are we trying to achieve? We are to consistently create content for our social media platforms. All right. So we will create that project now. Once in this project, we can go ahead and start creating chat. I'm going to change this model to Sonnet. And let's say I wanted to create a video on, I don't know, let's take, for example, in here, explaining the importance of creating a clone. So what I would do is I'm going to go here, say, hey, Claude, I need you to, I want to create a video using HeyGen on the importance of creating a clone for yourself into this era in order for us to stay consistent. Now, I need you to write me a script and everything so that I can paste it into HeyGen in order for me to create this video. And I'll go ahead and pass that in there, and we will wait for it to generate. Now, this is just basically an idea that I'm giving you. Now, you probably might have this written down, like what you already want to do. And all you can do right here is basically come and kind of just, you just paste that idea in there and have Claude kind of modify it for you. So we will wait for this to go through the process, and we'll be back shortly. All right, so it went ahead and gave us a script here. It reads here, you don't quit posting because you're out of ideas. You quit because you can't show up on camera every single day. I stopped trying to be everywhere. I built a clone instead. It's called Benedict Twin. Same face, same voice, same energy. I write the script, blah, 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 blah. So this is the script that we are going to use. Now, the second tool we're going to use, as I mentioned, is HeyGen. You can go to HeyGen. What I'm going to do here is basically show you the pricing, and I'm going to explain something here real quick. Now, when you go to HeyGen, you'll obviously sign in or sign up and create an account with HeyGen and everything. Now, you can create a free account, and basically you will have 3 generations per month. And I don't know if you can see, probably my big head is blocking that, but you can see you can generate up to 1-minute video and all of that and stuff. The only thing is you will have the watermark on your video, but that won't be a problem because in another video, I'm going to show you something that you can do to remove watermark. Now, you have the creator plan, and I think this is good if you're starting. If you're starting up for about 600 credits, you can create up to 30 minutes of video, 1080p export. And this is where we want to be because we have access to our Avatar 4 and then Pro. That's what I'm currently on. So let's go back here to HeyGen and we'll go to home. Once you create an account, you will end up in a place just like this. Once you're in HeyGen, you have a couple of things to do. Once you're in here, you're going to go to Avatar. In Avatar, you will come up here where it says new avatar because you're not going to have any of these here when you create your account. These are mine, as you can see. Now we're going to go to new avatar. When you come to new avatar, you click clone a real person. Cloning a real person is going to give you that clone so you can clone a real person. As you can see, I'm on camera here and it's showing me via webcam. So what I can do here is basically you say I'm ready, and once you click this, it's going to record the video for you and everything. So let's just try it out. I don't know if I can do it here, but let's try it out. Okay, so it's saying, it gives you basically what not to do, so don't be doing all of this mumbo jumbo and stuff. And or you can just stay here and talk directly to the camera. Okay, speak with high energy, expressive voice, expressive avatar, right? And then keep your position stable in the frame. Okay, we're going to start recording here. So one of the things that you need to do is to actually provide consent, and basically what HeyGen is trying to do is to prevent all of the things like that you want your stuff to be in there. Okay, so hey there, I'm speaking with lots of energy while staying natural and confident. This helped HeyGen capture my video, my expression, my emotion, so my avatar can behave just like me in any video. Okay, and I will hit done recording. Okay, and once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and play this. Okay, so hey there, I'm speaking with lots of energy while staying natural and confident. This helped HeyGen capture my video, my expression, my emotion, so my avatar can behave just like me in any video. Okay, and I'll be in there. All right, so that's the video that we have. Now, one thing I need you to, one of the mistakes I was making with this is not naming my avatar. It's very important that you name your avatar from the very beginning, because in the long run, I'm going to show you how you can build a predictable system that basically generates all of this for you without you having to come back and forth between HeyGen and Claude. Okay, so we would name this avatar based on what we want. So I would say Benedict Twin 3. Because I already have one. Okay, and we're going to create this avatar, and it's going to ask us, I think we're still going to have to do the identity protection stuff. So it's going to create this avatar for us. So just give it a minute and we will be back. Okay, so this is done, and once we're here, is you want to put your avatar in an outfit. You can do something like the studio streamer. We don't want that. Real estate, you don't want that. Like you can do fitness, professor, lawyer, whatever it is. Like if we want a microphone type, let's go with this one. And we were going to say generate 5 looks. Can actually select more, I think. Presenter. Let's do the presenter style. I like the presenter style. Hey guys, something that happened over there basically was the verification process. I needed to do that. So when you're creating your avatar, you have to basically get a verification. Because I didn't fulfill that, so that's why I got the error. But once you do that during the process of basically, you won't encounter that problem. I just wanted to throw that in there. Back to the video. So once you create your avatar and everything, you will end up with something like this, where we have Benedict Twin. This is one of the stuff that I created and everything. And then I have the second one here that I use frequently. So for this video, I'm going to be using, let's use this guy right here. We'll use this in a video. Now, the third part is once we have created our avatar and everything, this is when you come to creating your video. And in order for you to do this, find the avatar that you want and go ahead and click use in video. And you want to say add script. Okay. Once we have that script, we're going to go back to Claude. We're going to copy the script from here, copy this, and we're going to go to HeyGen avatar and we will paste that script right in here. And once we have that, we want a 1080p video in there, and we're just going to click enter, send it, and it will go ahead and start generating everything. So you can view it in the project here. Our video is being generated currently. So this would take a little bit of time. So relax, grab some coffee, and I'll be back with you later. Okay, looks like the video just finished generating. I will go ahead and play it here so you can basically see how it looks.
You don't quit posting because you're out of ideas. You quit because you can't show up on camera every single day. I stopped trying to be everywhere. I built a clone instead. It's called Benedict Twin. Same face, same voice, same energy. I write the script once and it delivers the message even on the days I'm not filming. No burnout, no missed posting streaks, no losing momentum because I needed a week off. This isn't about faking anything. I still write every word and approve every video before it ships. The clone just handles the part that used to break me, showing up every single day. In this era, the algorithm doesn't reward talent, it rewards consistency. If you create content and you're tired of choosing between burnout and staying consistent, build your clone. Start with one script.
All right, that's it. And once you have this video, what you're going to do now is basically download it and upload it to whatever platform that you're posting on. Now, a couple of things here before I end this video is that you can translate this to whatever language you want. I think there is about 100 and some more languages. You can change the thumbnail, you can click this, you can upscale the video, you can get the transcript, the activity, like get the transcript and download it and turn it into a text post or a carousel post and all of that. So there's a lot you can do, but this is how you go about creating content and basically showing up consistently without having to overwhelm yourself. Okay, so that's how I am going to stay consistent over the next few months, and I hope you got some value from the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and follow. In the next video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how you can add more engagement to your video by implementing motion graphics. So stay tuned for the next video.